Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a new front splitter, guys. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and show y'all what the process is gonna look like and what you're gonna need to do to start. So this is what you're gonna need, guys. You're gonna need a cardboard and you're gonna need a red marker. This is what I preferably to use. It's not a permanent marker, it's just a marker for you to mark all the way around the front bumper, so that way you can get a good idea on how to trace it. You know, that's a better way for me to trace it. But as you guys know, I had a little incident the other day, man. My chin spoiler pretty much ripped off because of, you know, it had a big thing of hay in the road, and you know, it was dark that morning. I couldn't really see, and yeah, so that's what happened, guys. Instead of buying a new splitter, I ended up thinking about just making my own splitter, man. This is my first time doing this, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna try it out and give it a shot, man. And that's what you got to do in life. You just gotta go for it, you know what I mean? So with that being said, man, we're about to get this in the garage, and then the splitter and everything. But for right now, let me go ahead and show y'all the material that we got. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna be making a splitter with. It's kind of like a wood material type, and it has like a matte black finish to it, so it's easy to cut out, it's easy to use, and yeah, man, this is gonna be a great project for me. The only thing I would need, guys, is the splitter rods, which I already ordered. So I might finish this video when those rods come in, that way I can, you know, show you guys the whole process and how it's gonna look after. But this is the material. I'm not sure the name of this material, but I'm gonna look it up and I'll have it down in the description so you guys can check it out. And if you want to make your own splitter, then you can do that, man. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and mark up that cardboard over there that's on the ground, and then we're gonna start cutting that cardboard up, and then we're gonna make our splitter, guys. So I appreciate all the love and support that you've been giving me on this YouTube journey and everything, man. I just want to let you guys know that, you know, even with hard times, guys, you just got to keep your head up and keep strong and think positive, guys, and everything will come to you like you would never think of. So with that being said, man, let's get this cardboard over here, man. Yeah, it's turning out pretty good, guys. So what we're gonna do is gonna keep cutting. We're gonna mark it up to the car to see how it's gonna look on the car. Later. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. It's a whole new day, so I'm starting fresh, guys. I had some difficulties on the last clip, kind of like wood. I told y'all it was like a plastic, but I'm sorry, guys, it's not like a plastic. It's like a wood-based material type. So what we got to do, we got to go ahead and cut the section out that I already traced and marked and everything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut that out, and then once we cut it out, we're gonna go ahead and mark it up to the car and then see what it looked like. So I'll get back with y'all in a second.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Yeah, middle fingers up, I don't care about opinions. Yeah, I ain't more concerned with stacking these figures. Yeah, no, I'm not concerned with none of these bitches. Yeah, she called my phone and I ain't trying to hear it. I'm on the way right now, I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now?
It look decent because as you guys know, we do have a couple cut views for that. There's a foul or something. I might just go ahead and start cutting my way. Now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and mark it up on the
back like I never left. Nike all on me, I deserve a check. Niggas mad, I got them upset. I ain't live for muscle, but I still flex. You ain't talking money, then I got no interest. Ballin' on these niggas, what I do best.
Tell me what y'all think about this, man. I had to do a whole bunch of cutting. Now, right now I'm waiting on my splitter. As you guys can see, everything is not gonna line up right.
I'm on the way.
for now, y'all.
We
So
making plays.
y'all just stay
I'm on
tuned,
the
man.
way.
About this is not lining up with that. I mean, like I said, I already ordered them. I just got to wait.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys been giving me on every single video. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, I want to finish up the chin spoiler that I have made for my Chrysler Crossfire. So if you guys didn't know, I had an accident with my Chrysler Crossfire, I would say about 3 weeks ago. If y'all want to learn how to make something of your own instead of spending a lot of money on stuff, hey, this is a video for you guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this camera around. I want to go ahead and show y'all what I have made so far. So let's get to it. Be up and it won't go nowhere. So. This is not gonna be forever type deal, guys. I just wanted to see if I can make one, man, for 11 bucks. You can always do something, man. Just gotta put your mind to it. Just like this video, man, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Not hard. Let me show you guys what material I use for it, but it's plywood. So I'll just show y'all after, man, when I Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, y'all know what to do, man. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Get down in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this new chin spoiler, man, that I made for under 11 bucks, man. But anyways, guys, this is King's Life checking out with another video. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Y'all stay safe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.